Përshëndetje të njerëz. Unë po shkoj ndet me këtë milionerin, si po thot aja. Oj, a që erdha, prit pak.
A po shkojnë në Starbucks? Po.
Your line are shumë e madhe. No, I appreciate it. It's crazy. Ska po nga çka po bëj këtë? It's a good question. I'm also doing very business in Texas. What? That's my word. What? Why is the highest? No, I gave a job investment. What? And you live in your city? No, city visited.
From it out. Wow. They say New York City is word, they're making us word. So, as soon as I heard that, I had to come.
Është vështirë. A kena me blik kafat? What do you think I am? I'm not a sugar daddy.
Kafja është $5.
Listen, I'm not paying for it. But try buy your date. No, that's it.
Ju menu se s'po ma ble kafen. E o ama ka ble, ka shtë se s'pa qore. Cheers!
You're so lucky.